Do you dream of becoming an influential speaker but don't know where to start? Do you desire to take a TEDx stage or even bigger stages? Great. But when? One day? Or this day? Yes, today I have amazing news. My partner, Tricia Brouk, is organizing a masterclass dedicated to helping speakers like you make their dreams of impacting the world a reality. A masterclass like no other. You see, Tricia has been where you want to go. She's an international award-winning director and former executive producer of TEDxLincolnSquare. And she's going to teach you exactly what you need to know to apply and get chosen to big speaking events. Events that can transform your life and business literally overnight. Tricia has worked with Kate Winslet, Susan Sarandon, Christopher Walken, and the late James Gandolfini. Her films have been up for nomination at the Academy of Motion Pictures, Arts and Sciences. Tricia has put 50 plus speakers on more than 15 TEDx stages, and most of them are on TED.com main stage. In October, Tricia had 10 speakers take the TEDx Farmingdale stage, including Kate McKinnon, who is an alum of this masterclass. Her work has been featured on channels like Forbes, Inc., ABC News, Money, NBC, Harvard Business Review, and so on. And here's what you are going to learn in this 2-day live virtual masterclass that's happening on Zoom. How to identify your big idea, how to write application content based on your idea, and how to apply to events so that you can apply over and over again. Not having to reinvent the wheel each time you apply to an event is a massive time saver. You will also learn how to eliminate limiting beliefs and how to increase your confidence, and also how to effectively communicate your big idea for global impact, and how to move from being a good speaker to being a great, a high performance, a high paid speaker. So you are getting access to 8 hours of live training with Tricia Brouk and her team of experts, companion worksheets, a live performance training with Andrew Bennett, 2 times TEDx speaker, access to 3 fully written applications and why they are successful, a live writing training with Dr. Christina Hallett, 2-time TEDx speaker, action steps in how to fill out your writing application, replay recordings of both days training, and an opportunity to receive a hot seat with Tricia Brouk. So it's not a dream anymore. Go on and register now. It's happening on February 16 and 17. Plus, I want to compliment your decision to dedicate your valuable time to participate in Tricia's 2-day masterclass with an exclusive bonus pack. But who am I? I am Tassos and I'm a marketing consultant, and I've helped hundreds of brands sell more of their products and services since 2014. And some names you may recognize like Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins, Jeff Walker, Ray Edwards, Matt McWilliams, Gina Gabellini, Ryan Levesque, Steve Olsen, Kim Walsh-Phillips, Revealed Films, Hope Writers, and on and on and on. This list is huge. I have a business administration degree and I'm an entrepreneur since 1992, and I'm the creator of the brand new 7 Ideals methodology. In a nutshell, it's a value-driven, customer-centric marketing methodology. We worked with a few beta testers a while ago, and we want to invite you to test our methodology and see for yourself how our secret ingredient, a special form of live events no one is using, can help your brand thrive and impact the world. I recommend that you go through the 7 Ideals basic principles to see that our vision is in alliance with Tricia's. There is more information in my written review about the event and the exclusive bonus. Note down the dates, February 16 and 17. be there and get ready to change the world with your amazing voice.